There's a pattern in the stock market that kind of looks like a J, meaning it drops and then goes way up afterwards, sort of like in the shape of a J, that thousands of investors and traders have been using for short in and out trades, 20 minutes per day. This pattern has probably been there for over 100 years, but it wasn't until recent advancements in at-home trading tools, such as being able to buy and sell stocks from your phone, or being able to see live 1-second graphs on your laptop, that the at-home trader could capitalize on this pattern. The best part about it is the entire system requires only 20 minutes of your whole day. The 20-minute trader shows exactly how to do this, and there's a reason why people are saying this is the way to trade in 2022. So if you want the details on how to play this hack, click the link below and learn how to become a confident 20-minute trader.